What if every day you're losing money and you don't even know it? While other people are earning passive income 24/7, you're sitting on the sidelines. But it doesn't have to be like this. Stay with me and I'll show you how you can flip the script starting today. Instead of managing investments, worrying about logistics, and constantly rebalancing portfolios, you could have a fully hands-off, cash-generating asset that's working for you 24/7. It's real, and I'm going to show you how with Abundant Minds. You know that you should diversify your portfolio, but let's be real. Who has time to constantly manage a dozen different investments? Whether it's traditional options like real estate, stocks, or private equity, they require attention, oversight, and constant adjustment. And let's not even get started on managing the taxes. But what if you didn't have to choose between growth and peace of mind? Meet Tom. Like you, Tom wanted to grow his wealth, but didn't want another part-time job just managing it. He explored real estate, but didn't want midnight calls from tenants. He tried stock picking, but hated checking prices daily. Then he found Abundant Minds, a fully hands-off Bitcoin mining service. And today, his miners are producing $3,500 a month in passive income, all without lifting a finger. We call this the Abundant Minds experience. These are the 3 reasons why working with Abundant Minds is different. First is hands-free wealth building. We handle the setup, maintenance, and everything in between, and your miner runs 24/7 while you stay focused on your life. Number 2 is maximum longevity. Our facilities are powered by renewable energy and live in an ideal climate for miner longevity, which ensures that you get maximum performance. Number 3 is a VIP experience. If you're wondering how to get started, it's very simple. Just contact us to hear more about Abundant Minds. We offer an all-inclusive white glove service that makes Bitcoin mining as easy as checking your email. Our service includes site visits so that you can see where your miner lives and how it operates, conferences and networking events where you can join an elite community of investors and visionaries, private masterminds where you have exclusive sessions where you learn from industry insiders, and when you're mining with us, it's with renewable energy. Our facility runs on 100% clean energy, which is not only good for your miners, but good for the environment. In addition, we have ongoing support so that if you have questions, we have answers. There's no guesswork and no headaches. You remember Tom? He started with just 1 miner and was so impressed with the results that he scaled up to 10. And today, those 10 miners are generating over $3,500 a month in passive income. He didn't lift a finger, didn't adjust his portfolio, and didn't have to chase any trends. Abundant Minds took care of everything for him. Here's the hard truth. Every day that you wait to start mining, you're leaving money on the table. While you're thinking about it, other people are already earning daily passive income. The demand for mining capacity is growing, and once our spots are gone, they're gone. Equipment availability is limited, energy prices are rising, and every week that you delay could cost you thousands of dollars in missed revenue. So don't wait, secure your miner today and start earning tomorrow. If you're ready to stop wasting time chasing your returns and start earning passive income while you sleep, join us at Abundant Minds today, because this is the easiest and most secure way that you can enter the Bitcoin mining game. Fully hands-off, fully white glove. Our availability is limited, and again, once the spots are gone, they're gone. We can't manufacture them out of thin air. So don't wait. 1 year from now, you'll be in one of 2 places, either watching other people post their mining profits online or sharing your own success story. The difference is the decision that you make today. So take control of your wealth, take control of your future, and join Abundant Minds. There's no stress, no headaches, just passive income on your terms.